Hello friends. So today we'll discuss about affirmations. What is positive affirmations? Positive affirmations are defined as statements that affirm something to be true. Positive affirmations generally mean positive phrases that a person repeat to himself to describe how they want to be. So positive affirmation eliminates negative or unhelpful thoughts from one's mind. Practicing positive affirmation can be extremely simple. It involves making a phrase and repeating it to constantly oneself. Positive affirmation requires regular practice. For a few minutes daily, at least, you can practice positive affirmations the way one thinks and feels. These are widely accepted and well established psychological study. What are guidelines to create effective positive confirmations or affirmations? It should begin with words I am, as they are extremely powerful. Use the present tense, that the things which you are saying, it is at present or with you. State it positively. Don't talk or think about what you don't want. Say about the things what you want. Keep it simple, brief, and specific. And try to include gratitude also in these affirmative sentences. Include at least one dynamic feeling, emotion, or word in it. And affirmation should be about ourselves, about yourselves. If you are talking about you, it should be about you. And if I am talking about me, it should be about myself. And it should be repeated daily, every day for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And preferably it should be in loud voice with energy and with happiness and with enthusiasm. And best time for this affirmation is during morning or before going to bed. So this will relieve your stress and negative thoughts. And sometimes we can make some posters, we can put some sticky notes, or we can use our mobile phone and save these affirmations. So it will be available to. What are examples of positive affirmations? Examples of positive affirmations are, like, say, I am successful. I am successful. And repeat it 5-10 times with happiness and with enthusiasm. I am confident. I am confident. I have achieved my goals. I have achieved my goals. I am empowered. I am empowered. I chosen to give best to myself. I chosen to give best to myself. These are the some sentences which are positive affirmation sentences. You can make positive affirmation sentences of your own. I am happy driving my new car. I am happy and grateful to have a big house. I am happy and grateful for today's morning and today's opportunities which are coming to me. So these are sort of positive affirmations which we can repeat daily. Like that, I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. I am fit and healthy. I am fit and healthy. So these sorts of affirmation you can practice daily. When we say positive affirmation or stating it repeatedly, then what happens? Actually, it gets embedded in our subconscious mind, and eventually we believe that these are true things, and we feel confident, and we try to make them reality. So that is how it becomes true. So over the time, the negative beliefs, whatever is there in our mind, it gets replaced with such positive thoughts, and it boosts our confidence and build positivity, and we go through our ambitions and achieve our goals. What are the benefits of positive affirmation? So benefits of positive affirmation or practicing self-affirmation day to day provides benefits, a lot of benefits. Number one, it decreases the stress levels and improves overall health, including our mental health. It provides our mind motivation to work harder at our job or work, or if we are studying, then study level also. And it motivates to achieve fitness goals and other goals, motivates to eat better, and it boosts our confidence and performance, and motivates us to change for the betterment or for self improvement. So everyone should practice affirmation either daytime, early in the morning after wake up, or just before going to bed, and one can feel a lot of change in difference in happiness and positive attitude. So please try to practice affirmations daily and be happy to take it as a daily practice in the morning. All the best. Thank you.